Hi everyone. Welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. My name is Jessica, and today we will talk about coffee. You can listen to me and practice your English. Try to understand the main idea and also notice the simple words and sentences. Coffee is a very popular drink in many countries. Some people love it very much, and some people do not drink it often. Coffee can help people feel more awake in the morning. It can also be a nice drink when you want to relax, talk, or work. First, I want to tell you about my own relationship with coffee. I am not a person who drinks coffee every day. I can start my day without coffee, and I can still feel okay. Sometimes coffee is too strong for me. If I drink a lot of coffee, my body does not feel good. I can feel nervous or my heart can beat faster. I do not like that feeling. So I try to be careful with caffeine, the energy inside coffee. But even if I do not need coffee every day, I still like it sometimes. I really enjoy warm drinks. For example, I like tea, hot chocolate, or warm milk with honey. In winter, a warm drink feels very nice. So when the weather is cold, I sometimes want a cup of coffee because it is warm and it smells good. I usually drink coffee in the morning, but not always at home. When I go to a restaurant for breakfast, I often order coffee. It feels like a small morning ritual. I sit, I eat, and I slowly drink my coffee. I like to drink it slowly, not fast. For me, coffee is not only about energy, it is also about comfort. Now, let's talk about coffee in different parts of the world. In the United States, many people drink a big cup of coffee. They often use a large mug, and they fill it almost to the top. Many people also add sugar, milk, or coffee creamer. Coffee creamer can have different flavors. Some people like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut flavor. In the morning, some people drink one big cup, and then they drink a second cup. For them, it is normal. But in many European countries, people often drink coffee in a different way. They may drink espresso. Espresso is a very small coffee, but it is strong. It comes in a small cup, and people drink it in a few minutes. Some people drink espresso at the bar in a cafe, and then they leave. It is quick, simple, and strong. I personally like a normal cup of coffee more than espresso. A small espresso is too fast for me. I like to sit and enjoy my drink for a longer time. I like to taste it and relax. But many people love espresso because it has a strong flavor and it is easy to drink quickly. Let's also talk about cafes and coffee shops. In many places, a cafe is not only for buying coffee, it is also a place to spend time. Some people go there to meet friends. They talk, laugh, and enjoy a drink together. Other people go alone and they read a book or listen to music. Many cafes have Wi-Fi, so people can use the internet. I like cafes because they have a nice atmosphere. When I stay at home all day, I can feel bored. But when I go to a cafe, I see other people. I hear quiet sounds like cups and soft music. I feel more active and more inspired. Sometimes I bring my laptop and I work there. It is a good change and it helps my mind feel fresh. Also, cafes can be a nice place to rest. You can sit near a window, drink your coffee, and watch people outside. It can feel calm and cozy. For some people, coffee is a part of their daily life, and the cafe is like a second home. So, what about you? Do you drink coffee every day or only sometimes? Do you like a big cup of coffee? Or do you prefer a small espresso? And do you like to drink coffee at home? Or in a cafe? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and practicing English with me. I hope you enjoyed this topic about coffee. Have a great day, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.